Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I made this little garden. So my students and I, we did letter F and letter G this week. So I said, okay, why not let us do a flower garden, right? So I made this little garden and I will show you how I made it. Okay guys, so this is a shoe box cover that I'm using. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my soil, the brown paper, and I am going to lay it on the ground. This is the base for my garden, right? So you gotta lay some soil. So I found footprints in my drawer, so I went ahead and put those in because they are also for F. And of course you have to have footprints in a garden. I like them and they're green. These are my flowers that I'll be using, right? I'm gonna use my glue stick. I have my scissors. I have my green paper, my brown paper. This is for I'm gonna use this for my soil, and I have this for my grass. I'm gonna cut it a bit shorter, and also I think I'm gonna make maybe 2 more. So my students, they're gonna make theirs, but I'm just getting a head start just to show them how to do it, how to cut the grass and stuff like that. So yes, so let us see. I cut this to make 1.5 inch because I want the grass in my garden to be a bit short. So then I fold a 1/2 inch, and now I am slitting the 1 inch, right? So just use the scissors to slit to make the grass. What in your garden begins with letter F?
What in your garden begins with the letter F? What is it? Speak louder.
What did he say? I don't hear. There? Oh, the flowers. Okay, awesome. Unmute and tell me if you enjoyed making your garden. Okay, awesome.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Oh.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So my students and I, we did letter F and letter G this week. So I said, okay, why not let us do a flower garden, right? So I made this little garden and I will show you how I made it. Okay, so of course we have our flowers, letter F. We have our fence, the orange fence. We have our footprints, letter F. We have our grass, letter G. We have the garden, of course, is letter G. Our gate, that's the gate there. I'm going to open it. Okay, so we had fun making this little project and I am excited to share it.